It's giving me life again. Since you told me you're traveling to Amsterdam.
Wow,
I'm
that's
happy now.
wow.
I'm really happy that you're going to finalize our transaction.
That is what a father really wants. How much can a father ask for more? Can a father ask for more than giving life to his son?
Father, no problem. It's going to be okay. Don't worry. Father, you take it easy. If you're a father, if you are crying, I'm crying.
Yeah. Oh.
Father, you're making me cry now.
Oh, I'm
Father,
sorry.
I don't want to cry, Father. Father, I don't want to cry, Father. Father, I don't want to cry, Father. Father, please. Father, please don't cry. Don't cry, Father.
Oh, don't cry, Mustafa. Don't.
Father, don't cry. Father, don't cry.
Be brave. We'll meet again.
Okay, Father. Take care of yourself, Father.
Yeah, you take care of yourself too.
Okay.
Okay. Lots of
love you.
Yeah, I love you. Lots of love.
Bye for now.
Bye. Finger kiss.
Why are they accusing me of stealing the body?
Mustafa, sonur Miriam og Woody Allens.
By the grace of God, this will be better again.
Mustafa, please.
Unaðslegt ævintýr sem seint tekur enda.
Hello, it's your father calling. Don't you want to scream out all the frustration? Just scream it out.
Ow!
Just scream out the frustration.
Ow!
Yes.
Talk to me. I'm asking you. Hello?
Aðalhlutverk, Harrison Ford.
Hi, this is Harrison Ford speaking here.
Yes. How are you today? I saw your picture today. Are you the popular actor?
Dr. Frankenstein.
I have terrible news now. We have lost the body of your father. Well,
I'm not talking on the body now. You're accusing me of stealing the body. What do you mean?
I really don't know what is happening. I have to say, I'm terrified.
You don't talk to me like that. You don't talk to me like that.
Imelda Marcos.
Yes, I met your father when he was at the hospital.
Yeah, he told me a lot about that. He had an accident.
Og Sherlock Holmes.
We have arrested Mr. Frankenstein here, the aligned doctor, in connection with the disappearance of the body of Woody Allen.
Yes, good.
Mustafa, sonur Miriam og Woody Allens.